I'm starting off using my Thank Me Later primer to prime my face. Now I'm just gonna rub it in all over my face. I'm using my Il Makiage foundation today, and I gotta say I really like this foundation. The reason why I like it is because it's a true match and it blends very well into my skin. I'm using this brush to apply my foundation, and then I'm gonna finish it off using my beauty blender. I'm using this Tarte Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and the other one will be Medium Tan Golden. Now this is a personal choice of mine. I'm gonna use the lighter shade directly under my eyes and then the darker shade below that. I'm also adding the darker concealer on my cupid's bow, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And now I'm gonna blend everything out using my beauty blender. Now I'm using my very favorite contour, and this is from Fenty Beauty and it's in the shade Truffle.
Celebrate our love and our life. We'll be together, you and I. We will watch the sunrise far across the ocean. Oh.
To blend my nose, I squeeze my beauty blender in like this, and that will prevent me from messing up my concealer in the process. After blending out the product on my nose, I went ahead and blended out on the rest of my face. Now I'm using this Sashka setting powder to set all the concealer on my face. Now I'm perfecting my brows using a eyeliner pencil. Now I'm using the same concealer to clean up my brows. I added some of the concealer all over my eyelids, then I blended out using my finger.
We will celebrate our love and our life. We'll be together, you and I. We will watch the sunrise far across the ocean.
For my shadows, I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette that I bought from Morphe Brushes. This is gonna be my first time using it, but I already know it's gonna look good because it has like the perfect colors in it. So as I'm doing my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be pointing to the colors I'm using so you could just watch and follow along. First I went in with a really nice shade of pink for my transitioning color, and then I used some dark purple on the outer corner. This one I'm pointing to is actually a shimmery shade, and I thought it was perfect to use on my eyelid. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Paris liquid eyeliner to line my eyelids. I'm using this Maybelline eyeliner to line the inner parts of my eyes. And I'm doing this on the top and on the bottom. The lashes I'm adding today is from my lash collection, and this one is called Freedom. What I'm doing here is gently dusting away the setting powder. Now I'm adding some of the pink and purple to my lower lids. For blush and eyeliner, I'm using this Blushing in Bali palette, and this is from BH Cosmetics. I usually spray this rose water on my face right before my highlighter, and the reason why I do this is because I feel like it makes my highlighter pops even more. And I'm just adding some of the eyeliner on my nose, my cupid's bow, under my brows, and the inner crease of my eyes. For my inner crease, I usually go for a lighter shade, and this is the reason why I'm showing you again the one that I'm using.
know you know I am always by your side. Been years ago since we met that very first time, and still you blow my mind, the girl to cheer me up. Know you know.
For my lips, I'm using my eyeliner to line them before adding my lipstick.
In fact, you make my life so easy. I can't believe you're mine. I know you'll never leave my side. No. 'Cause even when you're getting dressed, half asleep, your hair's a mess. Without makeup, still the best. Girl, you're different from the rest. People say that you're divine, something that they call divine, but you wouldn't even care at all. That's why you're beautiful.
This lipstick I'm using is by Paris Hilton, and it does not have a name on the outside of it. I found it in a store by chance. I believe it came with about 3 or 4 in the package. That's as much details I have on it. I'm very sorry about that.
Whispering this stuff, and you still blow my mind, girl, to cheer me up. Yeah, but what's the deal? Girl, I still can't get enough. No, there's no fuss in
To set my face, I'm using this Deal With Finish by NYX. And that will complete this makeup look for today. This makeup look is what I was wearing in my last video with my braids. If you haven't already seen that video, I will link it down below so you guys could check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Also, feel free to share it with a friend that you think may like it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!